Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. Today I am putting together this shoe rack that you saw in my previous video, if you watched that. I didn't do an intro to this video because, let's be real, I was kind of in a mood. Do you guys ever get in moods like that where, I don't know, I didn't really want to talk to anybody. So, I got the shoe rack all put together, and just wait till you see the end. We had so many shoes that nobody was wearing, or that didn't fit the boys, or were just old. So, stick around to the end to see the finished product.
Pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement that explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
This right here looked like candy that had been spilled on the floor underneath the old shoe rack. That's what I was wiping up. So here is the finished product. My husband's shoes are the top 3. The next are my 3, and then Easton's have 2, and Gavin's have the bottom 2. Some of Gavin's tennis shoes and Crocs were in the wash because they had been in the mud that day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because I have some good clean out KonMari style videos coming later this week. Bye guys!